Hello everyone. In this video we will see how to use Weebly. First sign into your Weebly. Then go to the website option in the side panel and select the edit site option. Now click on edit. Weebly provides you with a simple yet powerful editor. You can move the blocks as shown. You can add buttons just by drag and dropping it to your page and select it to edit its properties. You are provided with plenty of options. You can even add categories. Just drag and drop categories and add your desired categories as shown. You can even navigate to different pages just by going to the Pages option in the top bar. To publish your website, just click on Publish and give your domain and you are done. If you found the video useful, consider subscribing. Thanks for watching, and I hope to see you again soon.